I'm gonna show you how to use Alexa reminders to make sure everyone in the house gets to their to-do list. Here's your Alexa feature to try. By now, you've probably set up reminders before. Alexa, remind me to take out the trash tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 7 a.m.
That was easy. Customers can now assign reminders to a specific person in your house. Before you get started, you'll need to create a profile for members in your household. And to do this, you'll have to sign into the Alexa app, select I'm someone else, then follow the instructions to create their profile. And once you've set their profile, you can get started with reminder assignments. Alexa, remind Sam to walk the dog today.
Okay, what time today should I remind Sam?
5 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind Sam at 5 p.m.
And just like that, 5 p.m. rolls around.
Sam, here is your reminder. Walk the dog.
You heard her, Sam. One thing to note, the reminder is announced on the device you spoke your request to. Now give reminder assignments a try for yourself. Just say, Alexa, remind to, and just like that, you got no excuses for missed chores. It's as easy as that.